Alright, today I'll show you how to connect the WhatsApp API with n8n. For this, we'll go to developersfacebook.com, okay? We'll need a Facebook account, which is crucial. And here we can only do one thing, create an app, okay? That's basically the app's name for our reference, okay? I'm going to enter one click. Next, add use cases, well, start a game, etc. Other. Next, now it'll ask what we want it for, in this case, for business. Next, here, in business portfolio it says optional, select it if you have one. I don't have anything, okay? So we click create app, and it'll ask for our password. We click the only button there, which is to configure WhatsApp. We go to app settings, basic information. As you can see, we have the app ID here, which we'll copy and paste, and the secret key, which will do the same. It's crucial not to copy it directly like I did. Instead, click show, copy it, but I won't reveal it to you. Now we just click save here, connection. Connection established successfully, okay? Now to test it, let's go to WhatsApp API settings and continue. We'll create a profile here. Great, we now have the WhatsApp business platform. Now we can proceed and click continue. I didn't wait long, probably about 15 minutes. Here we select a recipient's phone number, add it, then generate the access ID for all current and future WhatsApp accounts. Alright, let's save it. Important note, I have a second confirmation tab open. Please confirm it or you won't be able to speak. Now let's create a workflow. Alright, let's set up WhatsApp. WhatsApp. When we receive a message, the credential is selected. Let's set it to run a workflow. Oh, sorry, no need to run it. It triggers when a message is received. Let's add an AI agent, okay? Add a chat model like ChatGPT. Here it is, OpenAI. Hey, which model should we message? The prompt will be for it to respond. Let's select the GPT-4 model without extras. There we have it. Okay, let's send a message. Here's the business contact I've added. We'll say hi to it. Very important to connect WhatsApp Business Cloud. Just go here and for business account ID, simply copy and paste the business account identifier, okay? Then the access token is this one here, the access identifier, got it? Now we click save and the connection is established. As you can see, when exiting and entering under sender phone number or ID, our phone number appears. Important note, even if everything's set up correctly, for instance, this is a template, okay? I didn't create it. It's well made, but still doesn't work for me. Why? It says bad request, please check the parameters. So what's happening here? Basically, I'm running n8n locally, which doesn't constantly update the internet connection, okay? You're not receiving internet input because it's not in the cloud, but local, since it's not constantly updating or trying to get cloud input, it can't receive the trigger, okay? Here they explain it to us, alright? A guy posted this template in the n8n forum saying, triggers? Well, I'm getting off track, perfect. He says, triggers won't work on localhost as external services can't access your server. You'll need a tunnel to expose your local machine to the internet. This obviously comes with some risks, so be sure of what you're doing, okay? Why does it come with risk? Because you're exposing yourself to the online world, right? Alright, here's the solution. To test triggers, you'll need a tunnel to expose your local server to the internet. Use tools like ngrok or local tunnel for this. Got it? So there you have it, okay? That's the solution to your problem. Just make sure you've set everything up correctly, alright? If you've followed all the steps in this video and you're in local mode, you now know the issue. If not, you're all set up and ready to go.